months down the road. How many of you guys write daily goals on a daily basis? How many of you guys write daily goals? Monthly goals, yearly goals. How many of you guys really write your goals down? I write my damn goals. I have like 3 phones because I can't keep up. I have 3 different phones. I have a freaking iPhone 8, I think it's the blackjack one. I have 2 iPhone X's because I can't keep up. I have so many notes, like I have, like, there's so much knowledge in my head. But you gotta be steady, man. You gotta be completely steady on your goals. Make sure you're writing 30-day goals, 6-month goals, 12-month goals, daily freaking goals, weekly goals, right? You guys want to become better at Forex. You guys want to become better at sales. You guys want to become a better closer, right? You got to write your goals down every single damn day. Every freaking day, man. Become the CEO of your own life, man. Become the CEO of your own life. So one thing, like, what I was saying is, don't wait for the opportunities to slide by you. A lot of you guys let opportunities slide by you. And you don't take advantage of the opportunity right now, right? You gotta move with the trend. You can't do marketing 10 years, whatever worked 10 years ago. You gotta move with what's happening right now, what works right now, right? There's a lot of people that have techniques that works for them, that knows how to do it, but you gotta move with the trend, man. Because if you're not moving with the trend, you're gonna fall behind. If a lot of you guys are not trading Forex, you're falling behind. It's the easiest way to make money. I think it's the most easiest way. And what I can tell you is, I don't think there's any other company out here that can provide you a better source of income on a computer, okay? On a computer that can generate you a lot more money. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is probably the best device, the best opportunity that can make you money on your computer compared to working for a company. Yeah, I mean, sales can make you a shitload of money, but what I'm saying is, like, the easiest, enjoyable, freedom type of feel. Because once you master Forex, your life just changes, man. You can do it from anywhere across the world, wherever you want, just from a computer. Literally, it's that good, man. It's that good. Another thing, man. Understand, outwork your freaking opponent. Outwork your freaking opponent, man. Outwork that person. You want that job. You want that, you want that job title. You want that opportunity. You want to, get that, what's that word called? You want to get that promotion, right? You want to get that promotion. Outwork that next person, man. I remember when I freaking worked at Nike. I'll tell you a story, man. I used to work at Nike, and it was a really good job. I met a lot of people that, were all over the world. They'll come to the store and all that. But I never got promoted. I fucking worked my ass off every freaking day in and day out, day in and day out, day in and day out. And I would literally do everything I could to really get to the next level. And I never got promoted. I was like, dude, why? Like, why can't I get promoted? I've done everything. Like, I literally showed up early, went late. I freaking stayed there when I needed to help the team, right? But I was always that guy that was really on top of things, grinding, working, making sure that everything gets done 100% done. And, I just never got promoted, which sucked. I was like, damn, like, what the hell did I do wrong? Did I just not work hard enough, or what did I really do wrong? It sucked because I was like, dude, like, I did everything. I thought I did, my best, but I don't know, shit happens for a reason. This is why I'm here now, right? This is why I'm here now. But, everything in life works itself out. It's as bad as it sounds, but it really does. Just trust the damn process, man. Trust the freaking process. Don't quit. Don't quit so freaking easily, man. Don't quit so damn easily. Don't quit so easily. A lot of people quit so fast before they're even there, before they're even to the next level. They get up and they're like, they quit so easily. But still, if you're gonna quit, you're still gonna pay the price either way. He's still gonna pay the price either way. So you might as well just commit. You might as well just commit, man. If you're gonna quit, you might as well just commit. 4% of the people right now are literally unemployed. They're not even like able to do business with you or me because they're unemployed. They have no money. I speak to freaking people on a daily basis, and you have no idea how many people I've spoken to that literally have no money and that are living paycheck to paycheck, have like barely $100 to their names, right? It's a crazy world, man. It's a crazy freaking world. A lot of the people that you trusted too, by the way, have quitted already on themselves. They've literally quitted so easily. They've quitted so easily, and they're just very, they're just quitters, man. You don't want to listen to those types of people. You don't want to surround yourself with those types of people. You want to listen to freaking winners, right? How many of you guys listen to me or think I'm bullshitting? Like literally, how many of you guys really believe what I'm trying to tell you? I've already been through it, man. I've been through hell and back. Man. But you gotta go through hell first before you find success. I learned that from this guy named Steve. He said, if you want to have success, if you want to make your life into a successful life, you got to go through hell first. You got to go through hell first, man. You got to go through hell first. Debt, credit cards, etc. Max that shit out, man. Right? Build back into yourself. Invest back into yourself. Go broke, man. Invest into trainings, right? Invest into trainings, invest into people that have what you want, learn from them, buy their products, buy their books, buy their trainings, go to their events, listen to them. Go broke. Trust me, go broke. Once you go broke, once you start investing all your money back into your business, back into yourself, nothing else pays better than investing back into yourself. I can guarantee you that. I've done it for myself, and I can definitely tell you, man, the best investment is in yourself, right? Not this watch, right? Not the gold, not the shoes. It's back into yourself, the knowledge that's in your head. The knowledge that's in your head, man. That's the best investment. How many of you guys believe that? The best investment is in knowledge. I would literally take freaking knowledge from a couple billionaires, then I'll take $1 million in cash. Drop a fire really quick if you would do that. If you would do the same thing. Drop a thumbs up, drop a fire, I don't know, drop a heart, whatever. You guys with me? I would. Why? Why do you guys say that? Why? Probably, you guys are probably like, what the hell, are you serious? I'll take the $1 million all day, every day. Why? Because I'm going to be able to freaking multiply that. Like I showed you, man. Multiply that. Literally, multiply that, man. Multiply that. So, these buildings out here, a lot of these big buildings, they didn't just form overnight. They didn't just form overnight. There's a building right there next door, in my place next door. Yeah, man, definitely. Those feed a man for the day, or teach him how to fish, and he'll feed him, and he'll literally make money for life, bro. They'll feed yourself for life, man, literally. But anyways, so there's a building next door, and this building's been working on it for the past like month and a half. These buildings are not built overnight. They take time. They take people. They take the right people, the right management, right, to build. So what I'm telling you is trust the process. Trust the freaking process, man. Trust the process. Trust the process. So, I'm gonna cut it there. I hope you guys enjoy this. I will talk to you guys soon. I'm about to stay on my which account is this? I think it's Lions of Forex. I have 2 accounts. Follow my Lions of Forex. Follow my B_Delvanicci account. Follow my new YouTube. There's a new video I just dropped yesterday. Just kind of like explaining like from 17 to 23 what I did exactly to get to the level that I'm at today. So I want you to really like just drop some love to that. Throw a like, throw a comment, do something. But yeah, I really appreciate everybody that's been on this and has really followed my journey. There's a lot more to come. I'm really excited, but this is just a beginning. This is a freaking movement. This is a movement, man. This is a movement. I hope you guys are freaking ready, because I'm about to kill it. And if you guys are not killing it with me, I feel sorry for you guys.